Good morning, beloved brothers and sisters. The word for today, Sunday, July 26, 2026, is from Genesis 45, verse 24. Joseph said to his brothers, "See that you do not become troubled along the way." And today's scripture is from Matthew 5, verse 9. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Have a blessed day.